Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear. So, to call voice assistant you need to press and hold at your right or left earbud. Touch area is located at the back side of each earbud. Right here we have XIAOMI and this one is touch areas. So I'm going to use the right earbud. You can also use the left one. I just press and hold and I just call Google Assistant because we set up Google Assistant at this phone. If you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini with this gesture feature. Now, if we go to the application and to the gestures, we can see that it's set for press and hold and we cannot set it for another gesture. So let's say for the triple press, right here we have no information about the voice assistant. The same with the double press and single press. You can also remove it from or both press and hold feature or from one of your earbuds. You need to just switch to noise cancellation if you want to, and now we cannot call voice assistant. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!